Elevator at Eide Merchandise in downtown Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. This is a Dover traditional elevator from the 1980s. Go down to the basement. Pretty sure I've seen this elevator before online here at the basement. I believe Jared has showed me this one before, PA elevators here at the basement. Bell ring, up to 4. I think that's locked. Right, up to 3. Here at 3, this is relay controlled. Here's some music up here. Up and there's some loud music playing up here. Go back down to 1. That electronic bell is probably modernized. There's your non-ADA rotary phone. Look at that. Basic blue padded elevator, fake wood grain underneath the padding. Oh, now the bell decides to ring. That's weird. Here's your fan, which is off. 2 fluorescent bulbs for a 3 fluorescent bulb fixture, though. Dover logo here, back at 1. Certificate. Case fire elevators out of service. Case fire